for and or we have to give multiple conditions. So if in AND function, if all conditions are true, then it will return a Boolean value true. Okay. And in OR condition, if any value is true, it will return as true.
Yep.
Okay. So we have AND here. So let's compare this sum and average. If sum is less than, I mean not if, first condition I want to check is it should be less than 1000, and average should be less than 150 or same 121. Okay. So let's take this as again some average value. Average value is 735. So I will compare with 735. Okay. So now this checks for two conditions. First it will check sum, I mean I2 value. If it is less than 725, it will return true. Even if this is true, then the final value is true. Just double click on the cell. Okay. So this is false because we have taken as 730, 725 and this is not less than 121. This is greater than 121, so it is false.
Yep.
Okay, the same way for everything. So let's try the same condition with R. So R is like checks whether any argument are true and returns true or false. Returns false only if all the arguments are false. So if at least one argument is true, then it will return true. I'll just type the formula here. The same, I will paste it here and just replace with OR. Okay. So this is true because the sum value, this is less than 735, it is true. So it is returning true.
Yep.
So wherever it is false, it means that both values are false. Okay. So proper, upper, lower, these are the functions for string. Proper is just to change the case. So let's see first lower case. So to convert the case, this is for strings. To convert this to lower case, use the lower equal to type LOWER. So we'll get converts all the letters in a text to lower. Just press tab and select the cell. Okay. So all the letters are converted to text and in lowercase. Here you can type text also. It's not required. You need to point to some cell, some text also. Okay. Same with upper also. Upper of this cell present. Double click on the row to expand. Okay. So upper lower or upper lower proper or string functions. Proper. Proper is proper case. That is every starting letter of the word is converted to capital case and rest of the things to smaller case, lower case. Okay. Here I will freeze this cell For freezing we have seen, right? Alt W F F. So I have freezed this row and this column. Now proper of this is already in the proper case. So the same way will, I mean, here it treats as a single word, motor works. So it takes only M to uppercase, rest to the lowercase. So we will convert lowercase into the proper case. Proper of O2. Just press enter. So it has come again with the same as A column. Okay.